Hi, I'm Sam Divick, third generation owner, president, CEO of Bruin Manufacturing. Thank you for taking the time to check us out. My grandpa and his brother started a little job shop in 1949, and here we are today, 75 years later, with 2 locations in Iowa and 59 injection molding machines ranging from 25 tons to 165 tons. But Bruin's success rests solely in our people. So I'm going to turn the camera over to our team leads and give you a tour of our facilities. Enjoy the ride.
Welcome to Bruin Manufacturing. I'm Jeff, the engineering team lead, and I'm going to walk you through our quoting process. When you have a part that's ready for manufacturing, you can go to our website and send us a request for quote. From there, we will request a step file of the part, as well as a drawing of the part. Once we have the part file, we will put that into Creo or CAD software, and we will run a mold flow analysis of the part to make sure everything looks good. Then we will use that part to determine a part price as well as a mold price. We'll get that into a quote and we'll get that sent back off to you, and then we'll wait for your purchase order. Once we receive your purchase order, we'll kick everything over to engineering, where they will get started on the mold design.
Hi, I'm Mike. I'm the quality manager here at Bruin Manufacturing, and I'm going to walk you through our production part approval process, or our first article process, whatever the customer calls it. There's a lot of things they call it, but this is what we do here at Bruin to make sure the part is correct to customer standards. We use a different series of hand tools to measure certain things that we can do, and when we are completely done with all the dimensions, we will enter them in our database. If anything is out of tolerance, we will send it to the customer for their approval, or if there's something that we need to change, we can change it with conditions on our molding machines, or if there's a mold issue that we have to make something bigger or correct that, we will do it that way. And once that is completed and they have approved it, then we send a part approval around, and it is entered into our system for a production run.
Hi, I'm Levi. I'm the tool making team lead here at Bruin. I'm going to tell you a little bit about how work flows through our tool room. Once the design of the mold is done, it comes on downstairs to the CNC guys to start working on the mold. They take plates of steel and turn them into basic components for the mold. Once all the basic components have been machined, they come over to the other half of the tool room, where we then do a little fit and finish to make it a working tool. Once the mold is in production, if any repair jobs need done on the mold, it's all done here in-house. We have a laser welder that ensures quick turnaround for customers, that they get their mold back running as quickly as possible. Once the mold is finished running, it comes back to the tool room after every run. This ensures that the mold runs quality parts every single time it leaves the tool room.
Hey everyone, my name is Mark. I'm the production team lead at the Marshalltown location for Bruin Manufacturing. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about the production process. It all begins with orders being entered into the computer system. From there, they get scheduled to a machine. We have different size machines for different parts, so we have to schedule accordingly. We print off paperwork to give to the setup technicians. That paperwork includes what machine we will run the part on, what material we'll be using, inspection sheets, and setup information. Some of the setup information includes cycle times, melt temperatures, and injection pressures. We also have paperwork for our mixing department. This lets the mixers know what machine to fill with what material, if any color needs to be added, or any other additives. After everything is set up and ready to go, production begins. As I mentioned earlier, we have inspection sheets. We inspect parts at startup, and we also have set times throughout the day to inspect parts. This ensures that we are molding quality parts for our customers. If there are issues with the parts, we change conditions to make sure we got good parts again. Most parts can be inspected at the machine by our setup technicians, while some parts require more technical measurements that we have to take to our quality department. That's where they step in.
Hi, my name's Kendra, and I am the team lead for Bruin in the Newton facility for the shipping and secondary departments. In secondary, we do anything from degating, welding, sonic welding, assembly, running the manual machines. In the shipping department, we will weigh count all of our boxes. Every box has its own label for traceability, and then we weigh count everything, get it ready, and do all the shipping part of it. Whatever the customer wants is what we try to do.
Now you have a snapshot of Bruin. We invite you to explore our website to learn more about the services we offer. BruinMFG.com. Thank you, and we look forward to hearing from you.